We came from Crystal River, 100 miles. We're getting a bunch of help with immigration for her nationalization.
It's for me important because I want to live in this country.
It's very rewarding to arrive on campus and to see the Immigration Law Society put on such a wonderful event.
We're helping people that would like to be citizens become citizens, and we do it for free, so people don't have the barrier on them of how much it costs. It's kind of expensive.
We're typically saving them anywhere between $200 to $500 in just preparation fees.
If it were not for them, I would probably not be starting this process right now. I'm from Haiti. I'm currently attending school here at Berry Law. I do love this country. I do appreciate all the opportunities I've received while being here. It's very important for me to make sure that I do this.
Filling out the citizenship application can be kind of intimidating for a lot of people.
Sometimes lack of access to an attorney stops people out of fear of being denied, out of fear of the process.
The whole idea is just to show them that it doesn't have to necessarily be intimidating, and we're always here to help. We also have some great alumni from Barry University that have donated some of their time to review these documents and make sure that they're all accurate.
We're giving back a little of what we got from Barry. And Barry taught us great values and the desire to help. This is just the first step for these individuals that come to get the help, and I hope that we can help thousands in the future.
This is an amazing service. Definitely worth 100 miles of driving.
I'm so happy.